Peace, family. It's definitely good to be back. I want to thank everybody for your patience and stuff. Those who've been waiting for us to come back with some new content. We're definitely looking forward to be turning things back up before the year's out.
About That Online is now back after a month or so long hiatus.
Yes, indeed. Back again after a long hiatus. We're back indeed. It's your boy, Fonzie Neutron, joined with Mixer. And we're definitely going to be looking forward to bringing you guys some new review videos, interviews, and stuff very soon. But picking back up from where we left off from the last video we posted was an update on the case, what was happening with No Limit rapper Mystikal, who I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with. We had a lot of fans chime in and stuff. And there's been a new development as of today in the case. It's been reported that Mystikal has pled not guilty to the crimes that he has been charged with, and he's been laden with quite a few charges and stuff, including I think a drug possession charge and stuff as well. So we're going to get a bit more information on this case, and Mystikal's attorneys have actually chimed in and said that they feel he is the real victim in this circumstance.
Oh yeah, it looks like Mystikal has got himself wrangled into some legal drama.
He has indeed, and the thing is, it's like, I'll be honest, there's been a lot of split decisions or opinions online in a lot of aspects. There's some people who have seemingly already condemned Mystikal, which, you know, leads to the statement a lot of people often say, innocent until proven guilty. He should still be treated as an innocent man. There's a lot of people who have condemned him already, who have felt like because of the nature of the charges and past charges that he's had and faced in the past, they feel as though that it's already, you know, the book's already been closed on it, which is a shame because a lot of people have weighed in and said that it could be life imprisonment if he was found guilty of such charges due to the fact that he's been caught up before.
Oh yeah, he's been found guilty before, and he's actually pled guilty back in 2003.
Yeah, so as previously reported, he's been accused that he was arrested this year on July the 31st with multiple amounts of charges. And they say that when investigators searched his home, they found evidence to corroborate the victim's accounts of the events, along with a variety of illegal narcotics. And that's what was released from the district attorney's office. And they say when he faced the arraignment charges this morning, that he said he won't be back in. They said he won't be back in court until October the 17th. And his attorney allegedly said to a media news outlet, "My client is innocent of all charges," and said that the rapper has himself filed a court order to protect him from some woman who, I guess, is the woman who made these recent allegations, and they say that Mystikal is the true victim.
Yeah, it is unclear whether Mystikal is telling the truth or not, but he claims that he is the victim, as you just said, Fonzie. And due to the allegations, he has not spoke out publicly about the incidents in details.
Yeah, that's correct. I mean, I seen Short Circuit from No Limit. He posted something on his Instagram, which he wasn't condemning Mystikal. He was pretty much saying that in a nutshell, he innocent until proven guilty, and kind of reflecting on some of his time and what he knows of him, saying, you know, he doesn't feel in that sense would be something he would do. It's been interesting because in the media, we know Mystikal was heavily featured as a part of the No Limit reunion tour, amongst other things, but we haven't seen Mystikal being mentioned by anybody who's, I guess, currently still, you know, on the tour or doing music, or some of his other No Limit brethren. Now, some say that may just be a thing where they don't want to speak on anything negative or put anything, you know, disparaging out there on his name. And others, they feel like, could that be a sign of condemnation from his peers?
That probably is a sign of condemnation from his peers in the music industry.
As we stated, we can apologize, you know, for the lapse of content and the break, but we will be back bringing more news updates, interviews, so on and so forth. Hope everybody's been doing well. We've been experiencing a lot of turbulence around the world. Today we also buried the former Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth II. So quite a lot of stuff happening around the world and stuff. Wherever you guys are at, we do hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, and taking care of themselves.
Well, yeah, I'm taking care of myself just fine, despite all the turmoil currently going on in the world right now.
That's good to know, my brother. So I
Yeah,
definitely can't wait to chime back in on some positive stuff. I mean, we're gonna keep abreast of this Mystikal case. It's being reported he won't be back in court until October the 17th. So that's kind of around the corner in a sense, you know, under a month away. So we can only hope and wish for the best for Mystikal, and just hope, you know, as I said before, if he did do this stuff, that he gets the help that he needs, and all parties that were involved and hurt. And you know, I'm not gonna just criminalize the guy and say, you know, luck. Some people say, you know, he an animal, lock him up. You know, I don't think that's fair to say that.
of course not. We don't know the full story or details yet.
Yeah, that's real. So once again, we definitely want to salute everybody for the support. Don't forget to leave your comments, like, share, subscribe. We'll be back with some new updates. Peace.